Hello guys, and welcome back to Almost TV channel, and we are going to start our new classes on editing. First of all, we go to blackmagicdesign.com. At the bottom of the page, Davinci Resolve 16 free version. Just click here. If you want to buy it, you can do it over here. It is only $299, and this is one-time purchase. This is also great. If we compare it with Adobe Premiere, I have used Premiere Pro for a long time, and recently I switched to Resolve, and the good thing is that this is totally free and you're going to do very advanced editing and also VFX free. Okay, let's get started. After clicking this download now, and you will get the application downloaded, then go and install it. So we are going to start Davinci Resolve 16. Okay, after that you'll see this screen, and here are some projects that I already created. You can create new. In the beginning, when you just open, there's only one, this local database. So this is very important for you to just create a database in a specific place. Suppose you want to remove, or maybe there's an antivirus or anything, and when you reinstall the Davinci Resolve, you are not able to have your project back. So it is very important. For this, we will click new database, and if you want to connect, you can, but for now we want to create. Just click create, and then on the name, just name it whatever, like test 2. Then for the location, just click wherever you want to create. As a test, I'm creating in a desktop, but don't create on a desktop, just create on a D drive. Okay, I'm just as a test, I'm just selecting desktop now. And after this, keep in mind, when we click create, it will not create now. Why? Because on a desktop we have a lot of things. See, it gives error. So always keep in mind, whenever you want to create, it should be empty. So we will right click new folder, just name it whatever, test 2. Go inside, there is nothing. Okay, now it can be created. Click create, done. So we have now test 2, and this is the test 2. If you go inside, you will see resolve projects, and you will see all those settings and everything that you want to create here will be stored inside there. So you will not lose your project. This is the first default project timeline. You can create another one. Just click here, new project, and you will create it. For now, we are going to use this one. Double click, and here you go. This is the first screen you will see. We will go through everything, but step by step. At the bottom, first of all, let's see here. These are all the modes that you want to switch. So right now we are in here on a cat mode. Let's go back to media mode first. The media mode, when we click, it will come like this. Okay, it makes easy for you to just do your project. Okay, so this is the video I have. Without any click, I'm just moving mouse cursor to the right or to the left. It shows which video is this. This is awesome, and you cannot believe that. How fast is it? If you compare it with Premiere, so with the Adobe Premiere, we have to load our video and we should wait. It will take lots of time to be loaded. Then you can check your video, what kind of video is this. But over here is just very simple. See how fast is this? Okay, then I'm just gonna select this video project. I'm just drag and drop here, done. And After this, we go to cut. You just double click, it will show you here. Then by using this, you can select which parts you need. For example, I'm just playing this. Suppose I need this part, okay? Bring this bracket from here to here. And then from here to here. If I drag and drop here, it's also possible. If I drag and drop on the bottom, it's also possible. And then when after this, just click and break it down. We just have only that part that we selected. And this is very awesome. It helps a lot to organize your videos. It's upon to you. You can do the same thing over here as well. Suppose I don't want to use cut. I'm just deleting this back. So there is nothing in our timeline. I'm going to back to the edit mode without using this. Okay? And also without using media. I just don't want to use media. I'm just deleting. Again, the same thing. Over here we have media pool, and whatever you want to import, it will be here. And this is the timeline. This is the screen that you want to see. Right click and go to import media, or Control I. Click, go and search for the footage you want to insert in. So Affinity Designer, Aquaman, and the same, we want to open it. That's all. Then drag and drop here. When we drag and drop, it will create our timeline automatically. And here is the video and here is the audio. So right now we have the same video that we previously used cut, but this time we used edit. So these are the same thing. Okay, so this is one technique. Another technique is just double click on the video. When you did double click, it will open your video here. I keys in the keyboard create a start point. O keys in the keyboard create the ending point. So we have 2 points here. Now I can drag and drop this one here. So I've selected only that part. So this is a very great technique to edit your video inside Davinci Resolve. Then again click I and come here and O, see, then drag and drop. That's all. In the between, see, we have some gaps. So it is very easy, just click the gaps and press delete. And now your video is ready. This was the first lesson, how to download Davinci Resolve and how to create a project. Then how to import your first footage inside Davinci Resolve. Please make sure to subscribe this channel, Almozish TV, for more awesome tutorials.